Hello everyone, welcome to the first video in this course on Microsoft Word Essential Training. So in this video, I will give you an overview of what Word 365 is and give you an idea about its various uses. So by the end of this lesson, you will have a solid understanding of what Word 365 is and what it can do for you. Whether you are completely new to Word or looking to refresh your skills, this course is structured in a way that can help with any skill level. So we will start from the very basics and build your skills step by step. Now, before moving forward, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Deminda Maduranga, and I have been teaching Microsoft Office related products to others for about a decade now. When I first started using Office, it was just a desktop application, but has since evolved into a cloud-based tool. As I mentioned previously, this course is designed for absolute beginners. This means that you will not need any prior experience with Word or any other word processing software. Word 365 is the cloud-based version of the popular word processing software Microsoft Word. It is a part of the Microsoft 365 suite of productivity tools. So unlike with the traditional desktop version, Word 365 is accessible through a browser, allowing you to create, edit, and collaborate on documents from anywhere with an reliable internet connection. So let's take a moment to explore some of the key features that makes Word 365 such a powerful tool. First, we have the cloud storage. So this is where your documents are automatically saved to OneDrive, which is the Microsoft's cloud storage service. This means you can access your files from any device, anytime, from anywhere. Next, we have the real-time collaboration, which allows multiple users to work on the same document, making team projects much more efficient. Word 365 can be accessed from any device with an internet connection. So whether you are using a computer, tablet, or smartphone, you can use your device to access Word 365 if you have an internet connection and a web browser. It is always up to date. So since it is a cloud-based service, Word 365 is continuously updated with the latest features and security patches. Finally, we have the seamless integration with other Microsoft 360 applications like Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams. On the same note, let's discuss some key uses of Word 365. First, we have the document creation. So we can create from simple letters to complex reports. Word 365 is perfect for creating various type of documents. It can be used for academic writing. So students and researchers can use Word 365 for essays, theses, and research papers. It is great for business communication, such as creating professional memos, proposals, and business plans. Word 365 is also useful for professional projects like writing stories, creating newsletters, and maintaining journals. It can be used for collaborative writing, making it easy to work together on group projects, meeting notes, and team reports. Finally, Word 365 offers template-based document creation, which allows you to quickly create resumes, invoices, and flyers using pre-designed templates. I want to take a moment to discuss some of the advantages of Word 365 over the desktop counterpart. So accessibility is a large portion of it, where you can work from anywhere, which was not previously available in the desktop version. It is automatically updated, so you don't have to manually update your device. Uh, with these updates, you get the latest features of the Word 365. Since it is a subscription-based model, it is cost efficient. So if you are following this course, you can use a free account. You don't have to pay with business accounts. You don't have to subscribe to those models. You can use a free account. Um, Also, if you are using a subscription model with paid model, you can cancel anytime, which is one of the big plus points with Word 365. Also, it is cloud based, so it makes sharing documents quite easy, unlike with the desktop version where we had to use some kind of a data transferring tool like a USB drive. Additionally, it has version control, so you can easily track changes and revert to a previous version. So, in conclusion, Word 365 is a versatile and powerful tool that can enhance your productivity in various aspects of your personal and professional life. It is cloud based in nature, collaborative features, and constant updates make it an excellent choice for modern document creation and editing. In our next lesson, we will dive into the specifics of what you will need to get started with Word 365. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.